La kwampilo ngifundile ukuthi kunabantu abawu-2 empilweni abakhona aba-existayo. Ngokwelimi lwaka-employment kukhona abantu who are permanently employed, kube khona abantu whom we call they are casual. It is clear those that are casual, they do not have any benefit and they do not come regularly. They only come when there is a need available, so they're being called in, but they understand that they have no benefit. They have no home subsidy, they have no bonuses, they have no increase, they have no injury on duty. They have, those people are called casual. But those that are permanent, they understand that they've got a medical aid, that they have been employed permanently by the system, that they know that they've got bonuses, they've got increment, they've got all that. But that uma utransfer kwa relationship, still uyabathola laba bantu abawu-2, khona ama-casual, khona abantu aba-permanent. Ama-casual-ke la ka-relationship bavamise ukudominate kakhulu ukudlula ama-permanent, ngoba ama-permanent abukeka njengabantu abaslow. One, kubantu aba-permanent there ayikho into abayifunayo kuwena, but they are there because they love you without expecting anything in return. They will call and check on you. Bayakwazi ukuzwa when you are down, bayakwazi ukuzwa when you need a shoulder to cry on, bayakwazi ukuzwa when you need to be uplifted. Those are people who are permanent, who are always there in your high season moment and in your low season moment, in the valley and in the mountain. They are always there. They want to shock you, they want to see you succeed, they want to be there for you, with you, and now. But the mantu aba casual, they only come when the season is good, when it's summer, not winter. They only come to download in you. They only come because kukhona into okufanele ukuthi ubasize ngayo. They do not care about you. They only come to suck your strength. They only come ukuze wena ubawelise to another level. Other than that, there is no relationship, there is no benefit in this relationship. So I want you to look at your contacts. I want you to look at the people that are surrounding you. Do you have permanent or do you have casualty? Futhi casualty a relationship bayavamise ukuba inamba enkulu. The permanent one bavamise ukuba inamba encane. Ayinqeni impilo ukumnikeza umuntu oyedwa o-permanent, but itholakala ukuthi nawe because of that, because ugijima kakhulu nama-casual, uyeka abantu aba-permanent. You invest kakhulu kubantu aba-casual who are passing by, who are only there for a particular season, and but who are not there when things are crumbling, when the life is crushing you, when life is challenging you, when you just need the people that you can restore hope from. So ngithanda ukuthi mina baningi abantu abakutrainayo empilweni. You will be exhausted if you are surrounded by abantu aba-casual who only remember you ukuthi what you have, what they can benefit from you. So just be careful of that. God bless you.